Hey, it's Tom from Danny, helping you get happier, healthier and more beautiful in the most natural ways possible. So would you like to learn how you can go in the direction of naturally resolving bad breath, also known as halitosis? Because a lot of people suffer with this, and yeah, it's not nice to suffer with it. A lot of people want to resolve it in a natural way. So if you do, then stay tuned, because I'm going to teach you how you can achieve this very quickly with a very cheap way, with using baking soda. But before I do, I first want to talk about why this could be happening for you. So acid forming foods such as coffee and meat and dairy products and processed foods and junk foods and fizzy drinks such as Coca-Cola will have a negative effect on your mouth and make it a lot more acidic than it should be. So this is why baking soda is really good for actually helping resolve that issue, because baking soda, when you use it in your mouth, it alkalizes the pH levels within your mouth, which will help you go in the direction of eliminating bad odor within your mouth. And I would recommend, alongside using this remedy for actually helping you get rid of bad breath, is to start cleaning up your diet and trying to remove as much of the junk food and processed foods as possible, and a lot of the acidic forming foods, and eating a lot more alkaline foods such as fruits and vegetables, which are really easy to digest. They're really high in water content. They help improve your overall health and improve your digestion as well. And some other things as well, food wise, can be such things as onions and garlics and spices. So what you want to do is try and reduce them as much as you can in your diet. But if you want to continue eating them, then you can have the baking soda, because these foods aren't necessarily bad for you, but yeah, they can make your breath smell. So by reducing your intake, at least you can reduce the bad breath that you may be experiencing. And two other factors can be you're just not brushing and flossing your teeth very well, and also smoking cigarettes. These are one of the worst offenders, specifically the cigarettes, for giving you bad breath. And as most people aware, it's really not good for your health at all, smoking. So try and go in the direction of overcoming your addiction in whatever way that you need to. So what I would recommend, alongside the baking soda remedy that I'm going to teach you shortly, is making sure, as most people are aware, brushing your teeth at least 2 to 3 times a day, because that's just going to really help improve your overall dental and oral health and help you have a lot better smelling breath that doesn't smell disgusting. And also, when the baking soda is alkalizing the mouth, it's also killing off bad bacteria, which is one of the main contributing factors to bad breath. And now I'm going to explain to you how you can put this remedy to use for you. But before I do, I cannot stress enough that you want to get aluminium free baking soda that is not chemically made, because this can actually have a negative effect on your oral health and your dental health. So what I'm going to do is put a link down below for a supplier that sells very high grade, organic, non-toxic baking soda. So I'm going to now show you 2 different ways that you can put this to use. You can either use one or the other, or both. If you use them both combined, you're going to get even greater benefits for eliminating your bad breath. So what you do is, when you're going to brush your teeth 2 to 3 times a day, is get a small amount of baking soda with a small amount of water, mix that up, and then brush your teeth very thoroughly with it. And that's a very simple way to do it with the first method. And then the second method is using it as a mouth rinse. So what you do with the mouth rinse is get yourself a glass jar, fill it with a cup of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of the baking soda to it, and shake it very thoroughly, and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to this. Close the lid on the glass jar, shake it very thoroughly, and then what you do is, at least once every day, take 2 tablespoons of this liquid and put it into your mouth and swish it around your mouth for around a minute. And it is as simple as that. And I know a lot of people are going to ask me, how long is it going to take them to notice the benefits? A lot of people should notice it from the first time that they do it, but to completely eliminate it may take a week to a couple of weeks or so to get the full results. But make sure that you are being consistent with both of these methods if you want to get the quickest benefits, because the more consistent you are with them, the quicker it will give you these amazing bad breath eliminating benefits. And a word of warning, don't get confused with baking powder and baking soda. They're two different things. Make sure it is baking soda, and also make sure when you're brushing your teeth with baking soda that you are gentle, because otherwise you can start to have a negative effect on your gums, and that's the last thing that you want to be doing. And also make sure that you are very hydrated throughout the day in general, because this is absolutely key for having amazing oral health. And I'm going to give you one amazing additional tip that I have learned myself recently, and I am doing it as well on a daily basis, is every time you eat food, after you're done eating food, just put a little bit of baking soda in your mouth with a bit of water, swish it around your mouth for about 15 to 30 seconds and then spit it out. So it neutralizes the acid there and then. That will have a negative effect on your oral health and your teeth health, and actually make your bad breath a lot worse than it needs to be. And then all you do is, after you use this, is rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. And you'd also want to do it with the 2 tablespoons of the liquid that you would be using from the baking soda and water that you've mixed up, that you'd use at least once a day. And that is it for this video. If you have any questions, as always, leave them down below and I'll get back as soon as possible. I love answering your questions. And if you like the video, like it down below, give us a thumbs up, and leave your testimonial down below for this amazing bad breath eliminating remedy with baking soda. And please share this video with anyone you think needs to hear about this amazing remedy. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below to receive a lot more videos from me on a regular basis, where I'll be sharing so many natural remedies with you that can help you go in the direction of eliminating sickness and disease within yourself, and also help you obtain and sustain the most healthiest skin possible, also de-age your skin, make it more soft and more subtle, improve your overall hair health, increase the rate of growth, also regrow hair if you've been losing it, and so many other videos to just help you go in the direction of feeling the best within yourself every single day, so you can have an abundance of energy to do the things that you love to do. And yeah, just so you can also go in the direction of boosting your confidence levels and just feel better about yourself and look more beautiful, because who doesn't want that? I know that I do, and so many other people do as well.